This is one of the most staggering statistics in the spice industry. In March of this year, India went from being a net pepper exporter to a net pepper importer. Their internal consumption of black pepper in India is now greater than what they grow and export. That is the first time in world history that that's occurred. India is where black pepper started. India is where black pepper, that's where the term spice comes from. Tellicherry, Garbled, Extra Bold, TGEB, is the most famous, best black peppercorn in the world. And they are now importing black pepper because they can't grow enough to satisfy the 300 million new middle class in India.